After last video, I talked about the TM1602 modem using the U-Link NAND to access the device. Some people find it's difficult to get this connected or detected, or sometimes other issues happened. And I tested myself. This does happen from time to time. So I find a more consistent way to detect the flash is to use the external power. So to solder two wires, this wire is ground and this wire is 3.3 volt. I'm using this external power supply and connect to it. Then using the U-Link NAND to make the proper connection. So first, let's power on this unit and give it 3.3 volt. In the meantime, in the software, we can consider remove this line in the configuration. So give power will be removed. Even though you leave there is okay, but I prefer remove it and restart the software. So now software started. We plug in the USB. And you can see 3.35 at the bottom, and this time you can get it properly detected. If we take off the power, it will drop to 1.4 and it will fail, I believe fail. And if we, without external power, it will not work. So let's give power on it. So now 3.3 volt, it detects. So this is just a diagram and short video telling you using the external power supply get a better detection for the TM1602 with the U-Link NAND. The amperage on this one varies. That probably is the reason why it's inconsistent using U-Link NAND power. Sometimes I see 150 milliamps, sometimes I see 70, sometimes I see 200, and I probably that's probably the reason why it failed to detect. If you have any questions, please comment below.